Okay, so hi guys. I am playing with my squishy here, and it is a peach. And I'm going to show you how it looks like when it is squished.
I think I already did that. You could do what you want.
Just wait. Okay.
The opportunity's on.
This is what it looks like when it's squished.
Now pause it.
Okay, hold on. My sister needs me. So yeah, sorry. Did you guys hear that singing? What? Oh yes, you did. Okay, so yeah, that was just my little sister. She changed the channel of the song, and then I had to pause it, and then I had to pause the video to turn off the music. Okay, so this peach is still growing. Looks pretty flat. Looks like.
And if you wanna be me, be me. And if you wanna be you, be you. Cause there's a million ways to go. You know that they're wrong. You know that they're wrong. You know that they're right. You know that they're right. You know that they're wrong.
So it is off, and my sister might turn it on again. She might.
And you could do what you want. The opportunity's on.
You know, I love squishies. This squishy is so awesome. My other squishy will be coming in like, I don't know. It could be coming today, tomorrow. I don't know. It could be coming any day. So yeah. This squishy came yesterday, and like my little sister was playing with it. She put those right there. Like seriously. Like, oh my gosh.
You know, I told you I would not be farting.
Sorry, that's my sister. She was just playing with goo. And it was gonna fart, but then it didn't work. So it didn't fart. Right, sis?
You know it.
She told you. I'm just not eating Takis and like playing with my squishy. What's with the butt cheeks?
Now pause it. Pause it and remember to